Good afternoon. It is Sunday, June the 2nd, 4:55 p.m. here in Hermitage, Tennessee. It's been a while since I've done any of the recordings of videos, but I wanted to let you know about a gem on the internet that a lot of people don't know about. It's a private community that presently includes 145 quick tips. It includes recordings of previous workshops. It's a paid-for community. You get approximately 20 quick tips a month. You get 4 shows, usually a weekly show, plus you get one workshop, approximately one every month, all for $10 a month. It's a bargain I consider well worth the money. It's tinkering with tech. Most of you are familiar with Michael Daniels. They've got a paid community. You really need to look into it if you're interested in tech help. Most questions usually answered within 24 hours, either by Michael or by other members of the community. But you really should look into it. Since Google Plus closed, there is no longer a Google Plus community, but they have moved to Discord. They do have a Discord thing. You need to really think about joining it. At least try it for a month. I mean, it costs $10. And in that month, you've got access to those 148 quick tips. You might learn a thing or two, you know? So I'm going to stop this recording. I just wanted to make this thing to keep in touch with people, let you know we are still around. The user user Discord is still around. So drop by and see us. Thanks for your time.